Hey everybody, it's Friday. That means it's time for another question and another answer with Ask Octopus. Today we're talking about step templates. The question is, can I let step template consumers provide a package? You'd want to do this if you've created a generic step for deploying a certain type of application, but still want the consumers of your step template to provide their specific package for their specific application. Let's take a look at how you can do this with Octopus Deploy. The method for doing this is a little bit different for package steps versus script steps, so I'll walk through both and we'll start with deploy a package. Give it a name, and it's going to be a very bare bones step template. It's going to be just the bare minimum to show how you would do this, but the key part here is a package parameter. So this is going to be demo step.package. Give it a label. We'll skip help text. Control type. This is the important part. We're going to tell it that we're expecting someone to provide a package for this step. And then whenever we go to the step case here, we can go in and configure features. We can add our custom deployment scripts, whatever we want to make this custom generic for a specific deployment pattern or deployment type. And what we do is under the package section, instead of choosing a package directly, we choose the second option, let the project select the package. And then we tell it which parameter that comes from. So we've set up a package parameter. That's how the consumer is going to provide a package. And we're going to tell the step that the package used during the deployment is what was provided by the user. Pretty bare bones step. So we'll just save it to demonstrate how that works. And if I go into one of my projects, we can pick on Azure Blob Storage here, go to the process, and let's add that step. We see our demo step, we add it. So we can set up this demo step template. It's going to fill in some stuff for us. It's going to look pretty much like a normal step template. And then we're going to get to the section specifically for this. And this is where we'll choose the package for that parameter. So it's not exactly the same as choosing the package for a deploy a package step. We are providing a package as a parameter to the step template, which is going to then provide to the deploy a package step. So you can choose any of those. And that's how you can create a generic deploy a package step where the consumer can provide the package being deployed. Let's take a look at how you would do that for run a script step. So we're back at step templates. We'll click on add. We'll choose run a script this time. I've already named something named demo, so it will be demo script. And it's going to be a pretty similar process. We're going to add in a package parameter. We'll call this demo2.package. We can even give it a different label to show the distinction between the controls. And we're also going to choose that package control type. We'll add that. And during the step, it's going to be a little bit different because usually you have this inline source code, or you can choose a script file inside of package. Now, if you choose this, you don't get the option for that script file in a package to come from the package parameter. What you'd want to do is use inline source code combined with a reference package. So we're going to add a reference package, and here's where we get the option. You can hard code the package if you like, but in this case, answering the question at hand, we're going to let the project select the package based on that parameter. It's going to fill in a name for us. You can choose to extract it or not. Usually you do want to extract it, so we'll leave that checked. And the way you use this is in your script step. So whether you're doing PowerShell or Bash or Python, any of the languages we support, you want to get a reference to that folder. So package folder is going to equal, and I'm going to insert that by finding the variable that matches that. So demo2.package, that's the package name that was given to it. Extracted path is the folder of the extracted contents. That's what we want. And then from here, you would write the logic of the script or the step itself to use what's in the contents of that package folder. So if you're calling some CLI, you would call it on the contents of that folder. Maybe you would change directory into that folder and do everything from within there. But that's how you can let a user specify a package for your script step. So if we save this and go add it to our Azure Blob Storage, we'll click on add step. We'll head down to library step templates and find demo script. And we can see very similar. Now we have the script package. So same form here. This is going to go into that parameter for the step template, which is being used as a reference package. And then that's being used within the inline script itself. That's how consumers of your step templates can provide their own packages for their deployments. Check the details below for links to more information. Do you have a question about how to use Octopus? Email advice@octopus.com and somebody from our team will get you an answer. You might even see it on a future episode. Thanks for watching. Happy deployments.